Mulch can be a gardener's greatest ally, or a hidden enemy if used incorrectly. Today, let's uncover the most common mulching mistakes and how to avoid them. One of the most common mulching mistakes is piling mulch right up against plant stems, what's called volcano mulching. While it looks tidy, this traps moisture, causing rot and inviting pests and disease. Instead, always leave a mulch-free ring, about 2 to 3 inches wide, around the base of every plant. This gap lets air circulate, keeps stems dry, and keeps pests away. Mulch smart. Give your plants space to breathe and they'll thrive all season long. Fresh wood chips or straw might seem like perfect mulch, but they can rob your plants of nitrogen. As soil microbes break down these carbon-rich materials, they pull nitrogen from the soil, leaving your plants pale and stunted. This is called nitrogen drawdown. The solution? Let fresh mulch age for 6 months to a year before using it. If you can't wait, add a layer of compost or nitrogen-rich fertilizer before mulching. This feeds the microbes and protects your plants from nutrient loss. Aged mulch nourishes. Fresh mulch can starve. Choose wisely, and your garden will thank you. Avoid the nitrogen thief. Mulch with care. Fine mulches like grass clippings might seem like a perfect way to cover your garden beds, but they can actually cause problems if used alone. When you use materials like sawdust or even a thick layer of grass clippings, they can quickly form a dense, water-repellent crust on the surface of your soil. Instead of helping to conserve moisture, this tightly packed mat actually blocks water and air from reaching the soil below. The result? Soil that stays dry and plant roots that struggle to get the oxygen and moisture they desperately need. Healthy soil is alive. It needs to breathe, just like we do, to support all the beneficial organisms living within it. And when your soil can breathe, your plants will thrive, growing stronger and more resilient. To avoid this problem, always mix fine materials with coarser ones, like bark chips, shredded branches, or even chunky compost. Adding straw or wood chips helps keep your mulch layer loose, open, and permeable so water and air can move freely. If you notice a crust forming, don't worry, just take a rake and gently fluff up the mulch to break up the barrier. This simple step restores airflow and allows water to soak in deeply, right where your plants need it most. Remember, variety and texture is key to a healthy, effective mulch layer. Don't let your mulch become a barrier that suffocates your soil and plants. Keep your mulch open, airy, and effective by spreading it lightly and checking it regularly. Just a few minutes of simple maintenance every now and then will keep your mulch working for you all season long. Let your soil and your plants breathe easy and enjoy a healthier, more productive garden. Mulching isn't one size fits all. It changes with the seasons. The right mulch helps your plants thrive, but each season brings new challenges. In summer, use thick, moisture-retentive mulch to keep soil cool and moist, but in wet seasons, too much mulch can trap water and cause root rot. During rainy weather, switch to a thinner layer or coarser mulch like straw or bark chips to let soil breathe. Adjust your mulching strategy as the seasons change. The right mulch at the right time keeps your garden healthy and beautiful all year. Remember, mulch is a seasonal tool. Use it wisely and your garden will flourish. Mulching is more than just covering soil. It's working in harmony with nature. By avoiding common mistakes, you turn mulch into a powerful tool for healthier soil and stronger plants. Good mulch feeds the soil, conserves water, and keeps weeds at bay. Stay observant, keep learning, and let your garden guide you. Get mulching right and you'll build a resilient, thriving garden. Thanks for watching. See you next time.